Hey, who's ready to try VegReady?
All right, hit it.
Hey, are you ready to try... Hey, are you ready for VegReady? A couple of years ago, the owner of this company approached me with this idea of creating easy to use, shelf-stable, delicious, whole foods, plant-based meals that you can order, subscribe to, or check out their starter pack and immediately enjoy. So I was excited about this idea because it has so many practical uses, not the least of which is getting people in your household to try a vegan and plant-based diet. It's so simple that anyone can do it. Let me show you. So inside this box, which is again a nice little handy packaging, you get, there's three things in here that you mix together. So the first one is the largest, that's the quinoa. So you have prepared quinoa in largest package number 1. On top of the quinoa, you can pour the mango, tomato, hearts of palm, almost like a salsa mix. It's this little blended, you just peel the top off and pour it on the quinoa. And then the second one is this spinach and broccoli. Again, turned into a bit of a puree, a little bit of oil, put that on the quinoa and lentils, and enjoy your meal immediately. Again, you don't have to heat it up, you don't have to do anything with it other than blend it together, mix it together, and eat it. So that's why it's VegReady. These are vegan and plant-based meals that are set to go. This one happens to be Peruvian grown quinoa with savory vegetables. There are a bunch of other flavors you definitely want to try out. So the best part of it right now is I happen to have a promo code because of tryveg.com. So what I want you to do is go to tryveg.com/VegReady. That's tryveg.com/VegReady. Type in tryveg10 and you will be given $10 off your first order. So you can do the starter kit, you can subscribe to VegReady. Basically, get yourself going or get someone else going with these incredible, easy to prepare, shelf-stable meals to start your plant-based journey. And actually in here, in this first packaging that you'll get, you also get this amazing little brochure they put together of what if 2 million meat-eating Americans stopped eating meat. Of course, there's going to be significant improvements in health across the nation. It's the #1 thing we can do to save the planet, to slow down the global warming and climate change that's happening. But of course, it's also fantastic for the animals when you go vegan. So VegReady is a perfect way to do that. If there's someone in your household who's possibly veg curious or vegetarian or an omnivore who says, it's too tough to make meals, I don't know what I would make, that's what VegReady is for. It's also perfect for camping and backpacking and boating. You can just stick this in your backpack, go anywhere you want, and you have a meal. I don't care where you go. Just go outside, have some fun, and bring a VegReady meal. And save $10 right now if you go to tryveg.com/VegReady. Check it out. Again, this is one of the flavors. You'll see all of the flavors on the website, and they're so simple to make. I'm going to put this one together. I'm going to enjoy it for lunch today. I certainly hope you go to tryveg.com/VegReady, tryveg10 for the coupon code. Enjoy. Let me know if you decide to do this. Let me know what you think of the experience. Let me know what you think of the food. I'm very excited about this product. Congratulations to Mark and his team for rolling it out. Thanks for tuning in. Comment, like, and subscribe.